In this video, you will learn 10 plus phrasal verbs with take. Take up. Meaning, start working at a job. Use space time or effort. Spend time doing something regularly. For example, she will take up her position next week. I know he is busy, so I won't take up too much of his time. He took up swimming and started going twice a week. Take down. Meaning, reach up and get something from a high place. To dismantle a structure. For example, she took down the book from the top of the bookcase. After the film festival, they took down the stage. Take after. Meaning, to be similar to an older member of your family in appearance or character. For example, most of my children take after my husband. He is very funny. He takes after his father. Take off. Meaning, to begin to fly. To remove a piece of clothing. For example, the plane took off at 4 p.m. It was hot in the room, so he took off his jumper. Take over. Meaning, to take control of something. To seize power or control. For example, she took over management of this department last winter. When the protests started, the army took over. Take in. Meaning, to make clothes narrower. To alter, to adjust clothes. Allow someone to stay in your house or country. For example, can you please take jeans in the waist? She had nowhere to go, so she took her in. Take out. Meaning, to remove something from somewhere. Go somewhere with someone. For example, the doctor had to take out 2 of his teeth. John took his girlfriend out for dinner. Take on. Meaning, accepting a challenge or responsibility. Hiring or employing someone. For example, she decided to take on the leadership role in the project. The company plans to take on new employees next month. Take back. Meaning, revoke or retract something previously said or offered. Return an item to the place of purchase. To regain control of something. For example, she apologized and took back her hurtful comments. I need to take back this shirt because it doesn't fit. The rebels were able to take back the city from the enemy forces. Take apart. Meaning, dismantle or disassemble something, critically analyze or scrutinize something. For example, the mechanic took apart the engine to identify the problem. The detective took apart the suspect's alibi during the investigation. Take aback. Meaning, to surprise or shock someone unexpectedly. For example, his sudden resignation took us all aback. The professor's sarcastic comment took the students aback. Take 4. Meaning, mistakenly assume someone to be a certain way, deceive or trick someone. E.g., I took him for a chef. Because of his excellent cooking skills, he took me for a ride with his false promises. Take away. Meaning, remove or carry something from a place, deprive someone of something. For example, please take away these dishes after we finish eating. Please take away these dishes after we finish eating. The referee had to take away a point from the player for unsportsmanlike behavior.